Bonjour, c'est Liliane, votre experte en français. Pour le vocabulaire, en français, les noms sont masculins ou féminins. Pour le français, pour un nom, j'utilise le masculin ou le féminin. Un verre, c'est masculin. Une bouteille, c'est féminin. How do I know in French to recognize the vocabulary that I use and that I will need to learn? In French, we need to learn the vocabulary, and all the nouns have a masculine gender or a feminine gender. You will tell me, Liliane, this is very difficult. In English or in my language, we don't have masculine or feminine. This is going to be difficult to learn. This is not going to be difficult to learn because you're going to get used to it progressively. You're not going to learn the full dictionary all at once. So when you learn your vocabulary, do things step by step and learn the vocabulary with the article. The article is generally the element we put in front of the noun, such as when you say a desk, and use the masculine article for the masculine noun and the feminine article with the feminine noun. Exemple, for instance, un verre, a glass, un verre. So when I learn glass, I don't just learn glass, I will learn a glass, and the form of a I use for glass, because glass is masculine, is un. Pour la bouteille, j'utilise une bouteille. So when I learn my vocabulary for the word bottle, I won't just say bottle or learn bottle. I will learn the vocabulary saying a bottle, and I will use the word a, which is une for the feminine, together with the word bottle. So I will learn une bouteille and not just bouteille. Une bouteille. If I say une bouteille, I know it's a feminine. Now in French, we have a way to recognize the words and know if they are masculine or feminine. Of course, we have a few exceptions, but this rule can really help you knowing if your words are masculine or feminine. I'm going to explain in English. It will be a bit faster, and I will probably do another video in French, all in French, where you can compare the explanation in English and then listen to the explanation all in French. So the words and noun ending in age. So we are going to see the list of the words that are masculine, the nouns that are masculine. The words ending in age, like ménage, cleaning, or couple or household. Ménage, ending in age, is masculine. Garage, ending in age, is masculine. Fromage, cheese, is masculine. It's a masculine noun. The words ending in R, spelling at the end, A-I-R-E. These words will be masculine. For instance, un commentaire, comment, or commentary. Commentaire, masculine. Le commissaire, masculine. Un militaire, a military person, but masculine, un militaire. The word ending in ism. Very often the word ending in ism are the words that indicate concepts or notions, such as capitalism is masculine. Realism is masculine. What else? Seism is not an ocean, it's just seism, seismic, like when the earth is trembling, is a earthquake, if you want. Séisme, c'est masculin, it's masculine as well. Words ending in ment, M-E-N-T, at the end are going to be masculine. A few examples. Le gouvernement, un changement, a change, changement, développement, appartement, apartment. All these words will be masculine. The words ending in er, such as acteur. Acteur, c'est masculin. Acteur. Acteur, chanteur. Chanteur. So you have either the words ending in E-U-R or T-E-U-R will be masculine. The words ending in ye, so the letters I, E, R at the end, I-E-R, we pronounce ye in French. So if I want to say a basket ending in ye, panier will be masculine. I don't have any other example, but you can look at the dictionary and find words ending in ye, or type on ChatGPT, they will give you some words. Then, words ending in un at the end are also masculine. The way to pronounce the sound un in French, you have different options. You use in, is pronounced un, or you use ain, is also pronounced un. Words ending in un will be masculine. For instance, a very famous word in French, which is bread, le pain. Pain in French is masculine. Chemin, 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 a path, ending in IEN is masculine. Word ending in ou, OU together, the letter O plus U is pronounced ou. So in my French class, you will have the opportunity to have the explanation more in detail about the pronunciation, how we pronounce the vowels, how we pronounce or not pronounce the letters at the end of the word. So this is more in detail in my French class. So the words ending in OU are masculine generally. Example, bijou. Bijou, it's jewel, bijou. Maybe you have seen some shops and it's written bijou in various countries. That means jewel. Chou, chou is cabbage. Chou is masculine as well. It ends in OU. So these are the main endings for the masculine noun. Let's have a look at the feminine nouns now. So feminine nouns, it's very often the case that when you have a E at the end of the noun, the E is a mark of the feminine, very often. So let's say earrings, if you put on earrings or jewels, a E, you decorate the word with an additional E, that makes the word feminine. I will give you an example. For instance, my name. My name ends with a E. The E at the end is not pronounced. So this is for a name, but it's similar for a noun. So my name is Liliane. That's a feminine noun. It ends with a E. Unfortunately, in the UK or abroad, people don't really know the rule and they will invent any pronunciation to pronounce this word or this name. So it's not Liliane, for instance, it's Liliane. You have the masculine form of this noun. It's not very often used, but we also have the noun Lilian. Lilian it will end with an N. So the pronunciation is Lilian, masculine. Feminine, if I add the E, I will pronounce the N, Liliane. So this is just to say your E at the end of the word is making the word feminine. You will have a few examples. There are not too many examples, but there are a couple of examples. We can see this more in details, and we will see also this in details in my French course if you take the course, which I hope you will do. It will be really beneficial for you. So, examples of words ending in E. Table, une table, table. Chaise, une chaise. Chaise with an E, feminine. Other endings to consider for French words, words ending in ion, I-O-N, are feminine. Example, all the words that are very similar in other languages, such as nation, attention, we will have the same words in French. Nation, attention, addition, etc. These are feminine. Other words ending with the word with the sound sion, but written double S-I-O-N, there will be also feminine, such as passion, passion, in French is feminine. Words ending in T, T-E with an accent. So word ending in T-E with an accent will replace the words that we have in other languages and particularly in English. If you say nationality, parity, what else? Liberty, all these words will be transformed in nationalité, liberté, parité. So instead of having TY, we will have TE with an accent. So these words are feminine as well. Very often they express concept as well, like broad concept that you can find in encyclopedia. Yeah. So words ending in E accent with an E at the end. Well, we already have said that if you add an E at the end of the word, it tends to make it feminine. So these words will be feminine. I will give you an example. Idée, idée, ID. Idée, in French, we write E accent plus E at the end. So this is feminine. If I say journée, une journée, which is a feminine word of the word day. So maybe as you know, to say a day, we say un jour. Un jour. This is one day, but masculine. If we want to use the feminine to say have a nice day, the duration, we use the word day in the feminine. So une journée. The main important thing to remember is journée is written E with an accent plus E at the end. That's feminine. And a few other endings to consider. The words ending in ur en français. So all the words in English which will be nature, culture, adventure, all these are feminine. The way we pronounce this, aventure, culture, nourriture, food, voiture, a car. So all these words in ur are feminine, and you can already notice there is a E at the end. So no wonder. Words ending in ans. Ans, different ways to hear the sound ans. A-N-C-E or E-N-C-E. Or also the words ending in yance instead of just ans. So words ending in yance, ans, will be feminine. So ance, ence, iance, ience will be feminine. I will give you a few examples. Science, science, féminine. Patience, féminine. Conscience, féminine. Confiance, féminine. Souffrance, féminine. Suffering. And to finish, the words ending in ad, written ADE, such as promenade, limonade. So we will have the opportunity to see this more in detail and revise this in the French course, which I'm looking forward for you to join soon. Have a good day. À bientôt.